4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1762 square feet of living space. This is the community of Summerstone here in the city of Gilroy, California. Hey, what's going on? I'm Greg Mendoza, your California realtor. And today I'm visiting Gilroy, California and checking out this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath listed at $999,990. So come along, let's check out this virtual tour. If you have any questions at all during this video, drop me a comment or get a hold of me directly at 408-312-6252. Enjoy the video. Welcome home. This is your family room. Now let's take a look at your kitchen. You got the quartz countertops along with the quartz island. You have an electric built-in oven, electric cooktop, microwave, dishwasher, and all the appliances are energy efficient. Okay, let's take a look at your backyard. You have the outdoor electric fire pit. Nice area to just hang out, let loose, socialize with family and friends, and enjoy the night. Now, right over this fence, they are building a future park. You have the grass area here, and then towards the back of the park is the play area. Now, being that this is one of the models that they showcase, the door that's right in front of us, that would be your first bathroom downstairs. And here to the right, you have a closet. A lot of model homes now are offering this option to have the understairs storage. Perfect for keeping everything out of the way, hidden in private, and not cluttering up your home. Okay, let's go upstairs and check out the second half of the home. Let's take a look at bedroom number 1. Okay, so we're about halfway through the tour. What are your thoughts so far? Do me a favor, let me know down below in those comments. Now this is your primary suite. You have your walk-in closet to the left and your primary bathroom to the right. Now we have the double sinks for his and her wash areas, restroom to the right, with quartz countertops on the vanity. Now over here to the left, this is your laundry room. Do you guys prefer to have the laundry room upstairs or downstairs? Let me know your thoughts. Drop me a comment down below. And this is your second full bathroom. Okay, so as soon as we exit the bathroom, down the hall to the right, there's two bedrooms, one on the left, one on the right. Let's go check out bedroom number 3. And lastly, let's take a look at bedroom number 4. Okay, so there you go. That was the community of Summerstone here in Gilroy, California. That was a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,762 square feet of living space, listed at $999,990. Now, if you have any questions in regards to this home or want to book a private tour, get a hold of me directly at 408-312-6252. We could hop on a call, speak about your needs and wants, meet up here at the property. I'd be more than happy to give you a private tour. If you haven't already, please subscribe, smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, tap that bell so you're notified every time I upload new content. And the biggest favor of all, if you know anyone looking to purchase or sell their home here in the near future, feel free to pass my number along. Hopefully I can help them reach their real estate goals and help them cross that finish line into selling their home or reaching home ownership. If you want to check out more videos in regards to Gilroy or Hollister or what's going on within the area, check out either one of the videos on my left or right. Enjoy the videos. I'll see you next time.